Okay. So what I'm going to do, if I push in over this right SI joint, is there any pain with that?
No.
No? Over the left side?
Nope.
Okay, right over this right here through T2 on the left.
Oh, that felt great.
A little bit different than what you've had before.
Licensed casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
Definitely different.
Okay. I got that T1 on the right as well. Back here, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out for me. Good. I'm going to bend this top knee.
Okay.
I'm going to keep that bottom leg straight.
Do I leave my arm up?
I will take your arm. So I'm going to kind of just rotate you, slide you a little bit more on your back.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you come a little bit more towards me.
Okay.
Right there. You already felt that more? Good. Just that
felt so
we're going to do
good.
the same thing. So the top leg is going to be bent.
Okay.
The bottom one we're going to keep straight.
Okay.
Let me have this arm. That arm we're going to have cross over your
I can already feel it about to do it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Perfect.
You barely have to touch me for me to
It
crack.
is directly over mine. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm going to lean you back onto me.
Okay.
Trust fall onto me.
Okay.
Bring your elbows together. Squeeze them together.
Oh, that was awesome.
So from here, we're going to come right up here up top. And what's good, she doesn't have any earrings to have to worry about. And we're going to start, we're going to distract the spine.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
What I'm going to do, we're going to laterally bend. We're going to rotate. And just that little bit there. And we're going to check the other side. Oh, this side I can already tell moves a lot better, but yep. And I'm just going to pull it in. Good, and relax. One more time, open the jaw. Good. And one more time, open that jaw. Pull it up, good.
Good, come back up. So, we're going to do this a couple times, okay? And I want to ask you a couple questions while we're doing this. Go ahead. I know. Arm behind your back, please. Yeah. Let this right shoulder drop. There you go. Turn your head this way, please. Grab my opposite shoulder. Roll back over. Oh, that moved better than last time. There we go. I was trying to recommend at least 2 to 3 visits. Oh, that moved better than last time, too. Relax this wrist for me. Let your shoulder loose. Is that the first time is like breaking the rust off the hinges, but that second and that third adjustment that you get, it feels so powerful and you can feel so much better in just a short amount of time. So elbow, and everything is moving so much better on you than last time. AC joint, we did his first rib. Relaxes. Good. Good. I can move
Right,
too.
same accident.
Same accident that the bike, he was on a bicycle and got hit by a car. Oh, and that moved a lot better than last time too. That was great. So here we are. He came in yesterday and I'm already getting a lot better movement, quality movement. Oh, wow. On this adjustment. Everything is moving so much better. So if you're gonna travel and you're gonna be here, come in twice, come in 3 times and you'll get significant relief. Good. So that's proximal. Let this drop. There you go. Other side, please. If you'd like me to come to your country and adjust everyone there, let's find out. There you go. On your back for me. Now roll over on your stomach. And we'll just set up a little pop-up clinic shop. That's a great idea. I want to hear it in the comments. If you want me to come to your country or your state, because in the States it's a little easier to travel. Head down. Roll back to me. Open up. Take a breath in and out. Beautiful. Come back up.
Okay, now keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath through your nose. Just like that. Very good. Right there for me. Okay. There we go. Good job. Okay. So I'm adjusting both of her SI joints, even though they're not that tender, they're still misaligned and contributing to her thigh pain with the lumbosacral and sacroiliac radius, the hip joint simultaneous with the SI joint. There we go. Good. Increased kyphosis in here. So we're just going to do some real light mid-thoracic adjustments, and you can hear her sounding off there. There we go. Good. Got one more right here. No, I feel it. Yeah. There we go. Weekend here in Houston. And it's St. Patrick's Day here today. I got my green on. You're lucky you got green on the bottom of your shoe, Becca. There we go. Nope, there's another one here. That a girl. Good. Feel that one a little more? Yep. Nope, still got one. Keep breathing. There we go, better. See, you can already see that her neck and upper thoracic posture is straightened out a little bit. Her shoulders are more square, but this one's still got crepitus or grinding in it. There we go. See her elbows, wrists, digits, phalanges. Okay. There we go. This is the last weekend and straight up. We're going to pull that back here. Feel a little tap right there. There.
Elbows, interlock your hands. Roll back to me. Good, so interlock your fingers for me. Yep, and open your arms up and relax your head back. Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go. All right, now come on back in. Reach this arm around, grab my opposite shoulder, hold on, hold on. There you go, now let it roll back. There you go. Yes. All right, guys, so that.
And out. Breathe in. Up, please. Way stronger. Push your right foot up. Toes go in. Toes go out. Push up. Okay. Tap. Yes. Big, 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 big. Hold that thought. Release with it. Way over you. Okay. And out. Trying to relax.
Any pain when I push down on the right side? Any pain when I push down on the left side?
Nope.
Any pain over the sacrum when I push in?
Nope.
Good. So when we come in compared to the T1, and we'll come here. Good. I know you felt that one. We'll drop a little bit lower on that right side here.
Ooh, yep, felt that.
In, and exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. I'm gonna bring it back towards that left side. So the table's gonna drop down below you, okay? So I go. Good. And I'm gonna have you uncross. And one more. There we go. This way towards me. There we go. We're already perfect. Already hearing that move just with almost gonna roll him over. Good. Good. There we go. Got a lot of good movement. I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back now. Good. Good. How'd you feel with that? The deep breath in and exhale out. Okay, I'm gonna go up a little bit more, so come up just a little bit. Perfect. Deep breath in and let it out. Okay, that was nice and cleared out. So what we're gonna just track him up.
Oof.
Just a little bit, but he's got a lot of lateral bending and flexion with him, so yeah, we already got that cleared out.